Hey guys, so this is how to complete your work if you missed today's live Zoom 916. So you would go to classwork, today's live Zoom 916. You would watch this video, plant structure and adaptation. It's about 8 minutes. Watch the whole video, pay attention, and then you can click on this document with your name on it. So this will give you a little bit to read, and I'll give you a space to answer some questions. So list 3 examples of living things, 3 examples of non-living things. This will tell you a little bit about plant adaptations, and then it asks you for 3 things that makes it difficult for plants to live in the rainforest. I actually underlined those things that make it difficult, and so you pick your 3 after you're done reading. Rainforest plant adaptations. You need to upload an image and insert it here, and then explain what adaptations that plant has in the rainforest. You'll read about pollination, and then write 5 organisms that pollinate a flower, and I bolded the organisms that pollinate a flower. This section is about seed dispersal, and you're going to summarize 2 ways animals disperse seeds. I went ahead and I underlined a couple ways that they can disperse them. Next is about wind dispersal, so you're going to upload an image of a wind dispersing seed or plant. The last section is about floating seeds, and then the question is asking you why so many islands have coconut trees on them. If you need any help with it, then you can comment or you can email me. If you'd like me to read it to you, then I can record myself reading it to you, and I will attach the recording to the assignment. Once you're done, you can exit out because it will save automatically, and you'd go to View Assignment and just turn it in.